In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone from YouTube. First things, I'm going on my YouTube studio, then selected comments, because if you want to block someone, you must be need going on comment section. Example purpose this person, just click on three dot menu, then hide user from channel. If you want to add as a moderator, you can see add user as managing moderator, as user as standard moderator, remove all existing comment from this user. So I click on hide user from this channel. That's mean automatically this person not see my YouTube all video. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.